God removes so that he can multiply. Y'all, God is a redeemer, not a thief. If you stick with him, if you wait on the Lord, he will multiply everything that you have lost. Whether it is a relationship. Also, side note, this is coming from a girl who 3 separate men have asked my dad for my hand in marriage. And I've called off 1 wedding. So I know a little bit about loss. And because of my faith and because I know that God is a multiplier, my story is not over. Your love life is not over. Because of 1 heartbreak, couple heartbreaks, 3, it doesn't matter if you've been through 50 heartbreaks. If it is in the Lord's will that you are married, doesn't matter how old you are, by the way, it will be as long as you remain faithful with him and obedient. The Lord will not let you down. And I'm saying this still in my waiting season on my man of God. I will wait because I know it is going to be worth the wait. And I got to fully prepare myself. So, whatever you have lost, whether it is a job, whether it is a friendship, a relationship, your story is not over. God is not a thief.